Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can deploy a PHP project on Vercel. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to your projects, which is right here, and then next you will click import project. And once you're here, you will just have to select Git repository, which is either GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or whatever it is, where your PHP project is hosted. And after that, you will just have to configure your framework preset, and then you will just have to choose other, and then make sure build and output settings point to your PHP entry file, for example index.php, and then you will just have to click deploy. And finally, you will just have to wait for Vercel to build and deploy your project and test your live URL to confirm everything works correctly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome